జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Hanuma telling all the details to Vanaras about his Lanka trip, saying that, "Oh Vanaras, I was sitting on that tree, Simsupa Vruksham. I was hiding from everyone. And then Ravana came to Sita Devi along with his other wives. Then Avakchiraha Prapatito. Ravana put his head on the floor, and while doing namaskaram to Sita Devi, Bahumanyasva Mam iti, Sita, please accept me. Like that he said. And immediately he started saying that, "Oh Sita, with your ignorance, with your proud, if you do not accept me, I gave you 2 months. Once those 2 months are done, I am going to drink your blood." Like that, with so much of anger, when Ravana screamed, Sita Devi, she also with exceeding amount of anger, she said, "Oh Rakshasadama, Ramasya Bharyam Amita Tejasaha. I am the wife of such a great, effulgent Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ikshvaku Kulanadhasya Snusham Dasarathasya cha. I am the daughter-in-law of Dasaratha Maharaju, who is the master of the entire Ikshvaku Kulam. O Ravana, while I am belonging to such a great dynasty, you have been saying so many bad words to me. I don't know why by now your tongue got cut and fell on the floor. O Ravana, you are a big sinner. When Rama is not there with me, you abducted me. You have fallen to that low level. You proved that you have fallen to lowest level. Ravana, Natvam Ramasya Sadrusaha, you cannot be compared to Rama at all. You do not deserve to be compared. Not only that, Dasyepyasya Nayujyase, even to be servant of Rama also you do not deserve. Like that, when Sita Devi said, immediately Ravana, with so much of anger, while rolling his eyes, he put his fist together of his right hand and just about to kill Sita Devi. He was jumping on Sita Devi. At that time, all the ladies, demons who are there around started screaming loudly, and one of the wives of Ravana, her name is Mandodari. She suddenly got up and stopped Ravana, saying that, "Natha, you are equivalent to Devendra. Why do you care this Sita? If you want, you can call on Devakantas, Gandharva Kanyas, Yaksha Kanyas. Why do you care this Sita?" Like that, Mandodari stopped Ravana, and all other demons also comforted Ravana and took Ravana back to his palace. After Ravana left, all other ladies started again saying so many bad words to Sita Devi, but Sitama did not care those words. Trunavat bhashitam tasam ganayamasa Janaki. She just considered all of their words like a grass blade. But again, finally, all those demons reminded Sita Devi about Ravana's decision that after 2 months he is going to kill you. Like that, final warning all of them gave to Sita Devi, and again surrounded Sita Devi and slept there itself around Sita Devi. Like that, Hanuma telling all the details to Vanaras. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ 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 ದಶರಥ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ರಾಜ ರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ ಹೇ ಹೇ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.